Hello Chapman families, thanks for joining me. I'm here to talk to you about remote learning in the red, which means we're at high risk, or if a classroom goes into quarantine. First, whole group class Zoom sessions will continue to be live and recorded in case a student has to miss, then they can still participate in that learning. Students will also have the opportunity to collaborate with their classroom teachers and classmates. And our Canvas assignments will be updated weekly on the Teacher's Canvas page. Chapman School will assign all students in 1st through 8th grade a personal Chromebook to utilize at all risk levels. Students will submit all of their assignments electronically. No paper-based materials will be returned to school. Chromebooks and iPads must be returned to school for use when the school or the child returns to in-person learning. Chromebooks and iPads will be made available beginning Monday, August 24th from 12 to 3. Families can select to call the office when they're ready for pickup. All right, feedback and grades. Teachers will provide ongoing feedback to students on assignments and progress. Standards referenced grades will be assigned to students in grades pre-K to 5th. An alphabetical-based grading system will be used for grades 6 through 8. Teachers may choose to utilize a packet pickup to be sent home to families. These materials will not be returned to the school. All student learning materials will be available for that parent packet pickup on Mondays from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. I hope this helps answer any questions.